In this video, we will be making nitrogen triiodide. Nitrogen triiodide is a compound from the two elements nitrogen and iodine. Nitrogen triiodide is extremely unstable and will decompose into iodine and nitrogen when the slightest mechanical impact is performed. Small quantities explode with a loud, sharp snap when touched even lightly, releasing a purple cloud of iodine vapor. It can even be detonated by alpha radiation. Nitrogen triiodide was first made in 1990 when it was preferred by an ammonia-free route. Boron nitride reacts with iodine monofluoride in trifluoromethane at minus 30 degrees Celsius to produce pure nitrogen triiodide in Yole yields. We will be making it by reacting iodine with ammonia solution. So first I took a 100 milliliter beaker and then measured out 1 grams of iodine. The iodine is the first reactant in this reaction. As a second reagent, we will prepare 30 milliliters of a 9% ammonia solution. Then we will mix these two reagents and the nitrogen triiodide is building up. I let this stand for 30 minutes and then I will just mix it up a little bit and will filter it. After the filtration step I will put some on a paper filter and I will show you a tiny explosion of nitrogen triiodide. The explosion of the nitrogen triiodide was actually very loud and scared me. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if yes, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other things to say, just put it down into the comment section. And by the way, look at the video description. There's another channel, he's called Salt and Peroxide, and I'm cooperating with him. He's making very cool videos.